Hi, boys and girls. It's time for science. Are you ready? I am. Let's see. First of all, you need your science notebook. And you're going to go to the very next open page. Boy, we've done a lot of science this year. So, the very next open page. And at the top of that page, I'm going to write the title of my experiment. And it's called, I'll show you 1 minute. And you can copy this if you'd like. All you have to do is pause the video. There we go. Ready? The walking rainbow. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? So when you get the title done, then turn the video back on. Okay? Well, now we're going to get out our materials, because before we start, we have to get everything ready. So, what I have here is a tray. You do not need a tray. Miss Rudd puts this experiment on a tray because my kitchen is a little small and I don't want to have to move it around all the time. So I have this tray so that when I'm watching it later, I will be able to move it without disturbing the glasses. You need 6 jars is what it said, but I don't have 6 jars that are about the same, so I found 6 glasses that are just about the same size. Now 3 of them, 1, 2, and 3, all are full of water. 3 are empty. Okay? The next thing we need, we're not drawing this yet. The next thing we need are the primary colors, red, yellow, and blue food coloring. So in one of the cups, and it can be whichever, let's see. Yeah, pretty much it can be the one you want. So it's going to be, I'm going to put a few drops of red in this glass, and yellow is going to go in this glass. See how it's all falling to the bottom? Sometimes you need a little extra yellow. And I'm going to skip, of course, the empty ones. This one's got a little foam on it. I'm not sure why. And then the blue will go here. I think I'm going to put in a little extra just to make sure. Now, I'm not stirring it. You can if you want to. The next thing you will need are 6 paper towels. Now, they say that you should use Bounty. And I think it's because Bounty is very much thicker. But use what you have. I have the Bounty this time. And what I'm doing is this. I'm going to roll it. Okay? Now, I'm going to roll it nice and tight so it stays together. And then, let me tip this again, I'm going to put 1/2 into the red cup and the other half into the empty cup, like that. Now, while I'm rolling the next one, I'm kind of watching what's going on. Do you see that the paper towel here is starting to turn a little bit pink? Okay, so I've got another one I rolled. I'm going to kind of fold it in half, and half is going to go here and half here. I may even push them a little closer together, kind of like a circle. That's going to go in here, just like that. Ooh, and the yellow is soaking it up too. Now I'm going to roll another one. It's called a walking rainbow because right now we just have 3 colors. But the rainbow will have all 6. So I wonder if you can figure out what's going to happen. So here's my next roll. Half will go in the yellow and half will go in the empty cup. I guess you only needed 5. I don't know why I don't know. I said, so it's 6 cups and 5 of these. Ready again. half goes in the blue and half in the empty cup. Can you see how these tubes are kind of sucking up the water? And it's really a good idea to roll them up nice and tight if you can. Oh no, you do need 6. Because this goes in the blue and this goes in the empty. And then you need 1 for the empty and the red. There you go. I had a feeling. Now before anything really cool happens, we're going to draw this. Let me get the last one in. Okay. And it's hard for me to show everything at the same time. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to move this for just a minute so that you can see my science notebook. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw what happened first and what happens next. So I'm hoping you can see the walking rainbow. Now I have a tray with 6 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what I'm going to do with my crayons is I'm going to try to color them like that, like the one we had. So one of my cups started with yellow water, and I skipped one. One started with red water, and I skipped one. And one started with blue water. Now mine are on a big gray tray, so I'm going to draw them like this. Then I took a paper towel and put half in each. It did kind of go down low into the thing, didn't it? Half in each. Again here. Paper towels are going to go into each. So we're going to try to draw it so it looks a little bit like it. And I know it will be different. And then there's going to be a line here. So this is how we start. At the start, it looked like this. If you want to label the whole thing, we have cup, we have water, and we have paper towels. Now, down here is where you will draw it after the experiment is done. And it could take a couple days. It said that it could take 48 hours. Now, last year I tried this with my kindergartners, and some of the kids sent me pictures of theirs. They did a really great job, and the experiment worked pretty well. It's really interesting. I don't know what you can see on mine, but see the yellow? Do you see how? I can't pick it up to show you. But oh, see how the yellow is coming down into this cup? And it's going over here, both sides. I can see my blue is starting to soak up, and I can see the red. But they're not, I'm not seeing those other colors. I'm not seeing orange. I'm not seeing purple. And I'm not seeing green, right? But I think we will. So that's what you need to do, is to set it up like this, and already I can see the things moving. The paper towels will continue to soak the liquid until the liquid is moving, because my paper towels are getting wet. So, find a good place for it. Keep it somewhere safe. On Monday, we'll talk about it, and we'll see if your walking rainbow worked. I think I did better this year, so maybe mine will work better. Last year, I didn't end up with any orange, but I did get some purple, and I did get some green. So let's see what happens, okay? Have fun, boys and girls. Can't wait to see how you do with it. Oops. Bye. And keep thinking about science. Keep wondering.